What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna introduce India's first and one and only helmet, the KYT R2R. This helmet is introduced in India Bike Week. It's a touring, or we can call it as a sports touring helmet. The sharp chin design and the rear spoilers gives the helmet more like a track or racing helmet-like look. The shell is made of advanced thermoplastic and it got three inlet vents, two at the top and one at the chin, and three exhaust vents at the rear. The helmet weighs around 1.5 kg and it also got a ISI certification because this one is exclusively made for India. It also got a double D-ring locking mechanism and the pads can be removed if you want to clean. The front visor is scratch resistant and also got a locking system and it is in-lock ready. It also got a drop-down sun visor. That's why it's in touring helmet category. This model or this color scheme known as the R2R Foggia Misano Replica, and the KYT R2R series will replace the current NFR model. The KYT team told that the price will be around 15 to 17,000 rupees. Hope you guys like this video. We'll be coming with a new video. Till then, bye.